a recent statement, economist Peter Schiff has put forward a bold prediction about Bitcoin, suggesting a possible surge to $10 million. However, this comes with a significant caveat, linking its potential rise to a hypothetical collapse of the US dollar. Schiff parallels Germany's 1921-1923 hyperinflation, proposing that BTC could only reach such an astronomical value when the US dollar faces similar devaluation. His comparison to the historical context of Germany's papier mark post-World War I suggests that such a valuation of BTC would be contingent on extreme economic conditions. This projection contrasts sharply with Schiff's long-standing skepticism about Bitcoin's intrinsic value. He maintains that BTC, unlike gold, does not have inherent worth, arguing that its value is purely speculative based on public perception and limited supply. Schiff's criticism extends to financial products like Bitcoin ETFs, cautioning against their risks and underscoring the volatility and potential for substantial financial losses in the cryptocurrency market. The discourse around BTC's value and its comparison to gold has been a topic of considerable debate. Schiff highlights a hypothetical scenario where, even if Bitcoin's price were to drop to $100 in 2031, while gold surged to $10,000, BTC enthusiasts would still emphasize its long-term growth. According to Schiff, this exemplifies the overzealous bullishness of Bitcoin supporters, often overlooking the inherent risks and volatility of the cryptocurrency. Schiff's commentary comes at a time when recent data from Sentiment indicates a notable decline in smaller BTC wallets, with a drop in accounts holding up to 1 BTC since October 2023. This trend coincides with Bitcoin's recent price dip to $38,555, resulting in the closure of approximately 487,000 accounts. Analysts suggest this downturn may be linked to a decrease in BTC traders, potentially influenced by the evolving sentiment around BTC ETFs. Amid these developments, the Bitcoin community is looking forward to the upcoming halving event in 2 months. Historically, such events have led to a surge in BTC's value, offering a counterbalance to the recent decline. The halving, a fundamental feature of Bitcoin's blockchain protocol, reduces the reward for mining new blocks, limiting the supply of new Bitcoins. This scarcity often creates upward pressure on BTC's price. Juxtaposed with the upcoming halving event, Schiff's views present a complex picture of BTC's future. While he underscores the potential for BTC's value to skyrocket under extreme economic conditions, he remains critical of its intrinsic value and the speculative nature of its current valuation. Peter Schiff's speculative assertion of BTC reaching $10 million is tethered to a scenario akin to the collapse of the US dollar, reminiscent of Germany's post-WW1 hyperinflation. While this presents an interesting theoretical scenario for the cryptocurrency, Schiff's skepticism about BTC's inherent value and concerns about the risks associated with BTC ETFs provide a cautionary counterpoint. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency market continues to navigate its complexities, with the upcoming Bitcoin halving event being the next significant milestone. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment below, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.